Before I started with Excel, I really wasn't consistent on any kind of exercise. My husband joined Excel first, and he really loved it and wanted me to join. And he said, come on down, and I came home saying, there is no way. Like, at the time I was 51 years old, and almost 11 years later, here I am. I think the first time I did an unassisted pull-up was something that I felt like I really could do some of the things that I was seeing other people do. I've gone years now without ever having any low back pain at all, and I attribute it to the exercises that we do in here. And I just feel a lot more energetic when we go out to do things. My husband and I like to bicycle, hike. Everyone encourages everyone else, and everyone wants to see everyone do their best. And people always celebrate with you when you break through, a new PR or have an accomplishment.